how to insert symbol in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel sheet and then go to the cell where you want the symbol and then on top go to insert. And then you can see symbol on the right hand side. Tap on it and then on here font search for wingdings. So tap on it and then search for the symbol that you want. So I want the tick and the cross symbol. There are many that you can choose from. Choose what you want and then tap on it and hit insert. And there you go. It has been inserted right there. Now I can just go to another cell and do the same thing, or I can just drag it down. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.